Hi. Okay, so just a couple of notes about printing off your books. Um, if you're printing off books from Reading A to Z, you want to make sure that when you pick your print layout, that you change it from portrait. Portrait is what most printers are set up to work. And portrait will end up giving you books that don't quite look right, right? You want to have your printer print the book off landscape. Okay, so this way. And the reason is we're going to fold this book, each page, and what we'll have then is each page of the book will, here's one side, also printed on one side. So one side, and you can see I've got one side and then the child turn the page and have the other side. And what's nice about this is because you've kind of created a double thickness in the book, they can't see reversed letters through the page. And so once you get all of your pages together in order, then you're going to uh, put it together so that the folded side, so the actual fold here is on the outside and the loose pages here are on the inside. And that way, when I staple this together, voila, I have run out of staples. Okay, I have a book that doesn't have loose pages on the end. It's nice and thick for kids to turn. Okay. All right, so that is how to create your book. You have two books to create. You're going to be creating the backyard and after school for today's modules.